What's up team, Connor here, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can go from a complete beginner to a master at push-ups.
The push-up is the ultimate upper body exercise. It generates strength, builds muscle, develops powerful tendons, and trains the upper body pressing muscles to work in coordination with the midsection and the lower body. The push-up is the #1 muscle building exercise in military training camps and academies around the world. It always has been since the first warriors trained for strength, and now it's your turn to train like a warrior and become a master at the push-up. Different variations of push-ups will work the muscles to different degrees. All variations will provide great strength and muscle building benefits. Push-ups dynamically develop the network of pressing muscles around the torso, strongly working the pec major, the anterior deltoid, and the pec minor. Push-ups also build up all three heads of the triceps, which are the major muscle group in the upper arm. When performed progressively and with correct form, push-ups also have a strengthening effect on the joints and the tendons, adding to their overall power and health. Weight trainers who include progressive push-ups in their routine suffer a lot less from joint injuries in these important areas. Perfect technique equals perfect results. Keep the torso, hips and legs in alignment. Sticking the butt in the air during push-ups only occurs because the waist is too weak to lock the body in place, so I want you to keep that neutral position. Keep the legs together. Spreading the legs apart removes the need to stabilize the torso during motion and makes the exercise easier. So I want you to keep your legs close together in that neutral position. Breathing should be smooth and natural. Breathe out on the way up and in on the way down. And that right there is 3 critical techniques that I want you to understand to create that perfect push-up and become the master at the movement. Speed. Many people recommend performing push-ups fast. Some also favor plyometric push-ups, which involve clapping push-ups where you push yourself up explosively enough to clap once, twice, or even 3 times whilst in midair. Being able to do push-ups fast definitely has its benefits. Quick movements stimulate and train the nervous system and will also increase your overall explosive power and athleticism.
The problem with most push-up routines is their very limited progression style, okay? Most people will tell their trainees to go ahead and perform simply more reps or put their feet up on something such as an incline, a small bench, whatever it is, and just perform that over time. The problem with this here is you're not actually going to be building much more muscle. All you're going to be focusing on is building up the muscle endurance, okay? Progression is the aim of the game. We want to get stronger so we can build our ultimate physique with push-ups, and this next part of the video is going to showcase how you can go from a complete beginner to an absolute master at push-ups. Now keep in mind, the first few movements are going to be relatively easy. These are based upon individuals who are coming back from injury, okay, or who are just starting out for the first time in their fitness journey, and overweight individuals, okay. This is going to be a great starting point, and then the next few movements after that will gradually get more difficult until the hardest movement possible, and see if you can do it, okay? This is what the video is all about. I want to show you how you can go from a complete beginner to an absolute master at push-ups. So I truly hope you enjoy this next part of the video. So team, there is the sequence of exercises to show you how you can go from a complete beginner to a master at push-ups. I want you to go ahead and pick where your starting point is, and from there I want you to get stronger at that movement before you move on to the next exercise, until you can go ahead and perform the most difficult exercise on this video. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed this video. I truly hope that you're going to get something from it, that it will enhance your training routine and it will build your ultimate physique. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.